What up, man? Hope y'all feeling blessed today. First and foremost, man, credit card skins, bro. They're gonna drop this Friday. I'll put the link down below just to put you guys on. So it's basically a skin that you can put over your credit card and, you know, just kind of give it a little bit of customization. We got the Comme des Garçons, there's Louis Vuitton, there's Goyard, Off-White. You guys can see right here, I got the Goyard on. So you guys can go check that out if you want to. They'll be available for people that signed up for the website, so go check it out. But more importantly, I wanted to wait. So I did something a little different if you guys didn't notice for these cool grays, right? I did the first thoughts and then I just did an on foot. I didn't necessarily do a review. I just wanted to see what your guys' feedback was for that. There was no commentary, or is that the word, commentary, about the shoe. Just riding on foot and kind of see if you guys like it and if you didn't like it. So you can let me know. I wanted to keep you guys in the loop on how to cop the cool gray 4s. They are releasing tomorrow. ASneakerLife.org is updated to have all the early links, just in case you guys want to be prepared. But in my opinion, these are going to be an easy cop. I think a lot of people are sleeping on these. And you know, some people just don't like the cool gray vibe. These haven't released since 2001. I honestly think it's a fire shoe, but I'm a big 4s guy. You know, for me personally, I love 4s to the core. If I could only wear one shoe for the rest of my life, it would definitely be these. You can see they're beat, and thank God I got another pair downstairs dead stock. But yeah, man, I just love 4s. But just to give you guys a little history on the shoe, it hasn't released since 2004. Gentry Humphrey was a part of the process in creating this. They thought it would just be really dope to add a gray color scheme to a Jordan 4. It just really sticks out. And what I really love about this is just that nubuck. You know, the entire upper is nubuck and it's just so clean. And then you have that maize yellow, which really pops throughout the shoe. You know, you got it on the bottom, you have it in the air bubble unit, and then of course on the tongue and on the inside of the tongue. So just those little details make this shoe very subtle, but also like fire. That's just me though. On the back, you have that very bold silver Jumpman logo. That's on these is going to be $190. I'm really looking forward to them dropping the Lightning 4s. Like, that's a shoe that I need so bad. And being honestly, I could even get some dye and color these yellow. I don't even know if that would work. That would be a pretty cool project. Nah, I ain't gonna waste my time. It's too much work. Here's some B-roll of them on feet. Now, a lot of people were mad like, bro, what are you doing? Why are you wearing these jeans? I've lost all faith in you, Mike. You don't know how to dress. Y'all hilarious, man. That's all I gotta say. But yeah, guys, just wanted to give you a little release reminder. Tomorrow, all the links will be down below on ASneakerLife.org. Let me know down below in the comments, is it a cop or is it a drop? I'll catch you guys in the next one. Run it. Hands in the air now.